So guys, just starting the bus journey, road journey from Tirana, Albania to Podgorica in Montenegro. This is the bus in Tirana bus station, and you can take the ticket for this bus from the office number 6, and it will cost you around $20 as of October 2017. Our first bus stop in Durrës, a city in Albania. The bus has a stop for 10 and 15 minutes. Yeah? Yeah, Serbia, to Serbia. The bus is almost empty, just 5 to 6 passengers from Tirana to Podgorica. Again, nice scene in Albania. And second stop, our bus has the second stop here after 1 hour. So second stop in 2 hours in front of the restaurant. Our third stop in the beautiful city, which name is Skeder. This is the third bus stop in 3 hours, and I think this is probably the last stop in Albania. After that it should enter, in 30 minutes it should enter Montenegro. As the immigration is done, and now we are in Montenegro, and it will take around 40 more minutes to reach Podgorica, the capital of Montenegro. So guys, this is the bus station in Podgorica. We reached here. This is our bus, and the same bus goes to Budva and Kotor cities in Montenegro. If you want to go there, the same bus will go, and it took exactly 5 hours and 15 minutes to reach here, and basically that includes the immigration time, which was like 40 to 50 minutes. And last thing, which is that the bus leaves once again in the morning from Tirana 10:15, and also at 6 o'clock in the morning. So that's it, the road journey ends here.